Welcome to PrepJoy Current Affairs. Subscribe to our channel and also visit www.prepjoy.com to learn current affairs. Topic for today's video is 12th November Current Affairs English Notes. National Education Day, 11 November. November 11th is celebrated as National Education Day, which commemorates the birth anniversary of independent India's first education minister, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He served the nation between 1947 to 1958 during Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's government. Ministry of Human Resource Development, now Education Ministry, had proclaimed the day as a national observance on September 11, 2008. Cabinet declares 15th November as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. The Union Cabinet has approved the declaration of 15th November as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. The day is dedicated to the memory of brave tribal freedom fighters. The date is the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda. He fought bravely against the exploitative system of the British colonial system and spearheaded the movement against British oppression, giving a call for Ulgulan revolution. India launches e-Amrit portal for electric vehicles at 26 Colombian pesos. India launched the e-Amrit web portal on electric vehicles, EVs, at the ongoing COP26 summit in Glasgow on the 10th of November 2021. The website is a one-stop destination for all information on electric vehicles. The portal has been developed and hosted by Niti Aayog under a collaborative knowledge exchange program with the UK government and as part of the UK-India Joint Roadmap 2030. National Internet Exchange of India launches Digital Payment Gateway. National Internet Exchange of India, NIXI, has gone digital by enabling digital payments across its three business units by integrating payment gateways on all its customer-facing websites for ease of use. NIXI is a not-for-profit company under the aegis of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METI. It has partnered with PayU to offer payment gateway services. USA joins International Solar Alliance as 101st member country. The United States of America has joined the Intergovernmental Treaty-based International Solar Alliance, ISA, launched jointly by India and France in 2015. It has become the 101st member country of ISA. U.S. Special Presidential Envoy for Climate John Kerry signed the ISA Framework Agreement in November 2021 to catalyze global energy transition through a solar-led approach. Satyanarayan Pradhan appointed as NCB Chief till August 2024. Senior Indian Police Service, IPS, Officer Satyanarayan Pradhan has been appointed as Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB. He is appointed till the date of his superannuation on August 31, 2024, or until further orders. Pradhan, a Jharkhand Cadre 1988 batch IPS officer, was currently holding additional charge of NCB. Odisha government launches road safety initiative Rakshak. Odisha government has launched Rakshak, a road safety initiative. In a first-of-its-kind state-level program, 30,000 volunteers staying or working at the eateries and different business establishments located near accident-prone spots will be trained as first responders to road accidents. Odisha annually loses more than 5,000 precious lives in accidents. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia launches platform eGCA. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia on the 11th of November 21 launched an online platform eGCA. Through this, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, will provide its 298 services including pilot licensing and medical examination. 99 services will be in the first two phases and 198 in the next two phases. Global Drug Policy Index 2021, India ranked 18th. The inaugural Global Drug Policy Index was released by the Harm Reduction Consortium in November 2021. Norway, New Zealand, Portugal, the UK, and Australia are the 5 leading countries on humane and health-driven drug policies. The 5 lowest-ranking countries are Brazil, Uganda, Indonesia, Kenya, and Mexico. India's rank is 18 out of 30 countries. RBI launches its first Global Hackathon Harbinger 2021. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, on the 9th of November 2021 announced the launch of its first Global Hackathon Harbinger 2021 Innovation for Transformation. Its theme would be Smarter Digital Payments. The registration for RBI Harbinger 2021 commences on November 15, 2021, and culminates on December 15. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.